Now I will show you how to make animated GIF in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop, click on File, and if you want to create a GIF from start, then you can select a new project and then you will be able to make a custom GIF. Or I'm just selecting here open, and from my computer I'm selecting this still image, PNG image, and now I will make a GIF using this still image. First of all, I'm pressing Ctrl Z multiple times to duplicate this still image layer. After that, I'm hiding all of these layers without the top layer. Here, I'm selecting the eraser tool and just removing this right eye just like this, and then selecting the second layer and unhiding this. Then I'm removing this left eye, and now I'm selecting this layer, and in this layer I'm hiding eyebrow, and then selecting this layer and removing mouth, and then I'm just unhiding all of the layers, and then going to window, enabling timeline, clicking here and selecting create frame animation, and clicking on create frame animation. Then clicking on this icon, selecting make frames from layers, and here all of my layers added. Click here and select forever. Now click on this play button and you see a basic animation GIF. To change your GIF duration, click on this duration icon and selecting 0.5. So this 0.5 duration is perfect for a GIF. Selecting 0.5 for all of these frames, and now let's play the GIF. We can see the result. Now it's time to export this GIF. So go to File, Export, Save for Web. Here select GIF, make sure to select your GIF, click on Save, and rename the GIF, click on Save. Now I'm just opening my File Explorer, and here we can see the GIF that is created from my Photoshop. Thanks for watching.